First and foremost, I'd like to thank God for the opportunity to serve with all of you. And it's a distinct privilege to serve with the Senate President. You've always been a statesman, at least to me. And I believe even in the bills that we disagree. And when I was majority leader, you were minority leader. When you were minority leader, when you were the majority leader, I was the minority leader. I had the privilege to work with you when you were Senate President and I was Speaker. We disagreed, but we found a way to disagree in private and then work together for the country. So I really admire your statement yesterday saying that you serve at the pleasure of the body. So may I manifest that there are now at least 13 members of the Senate who wish to have a leadership change, and that Senator Bato de la Rosa is in the building and will be here in a minute. So may I kindly inform and apologize to the Senate President that for security reasons, I could not go up to you earlier to ask you and tell you this, but had to inform you this way. But I give you all my respect and ask for an orderly transition in accordance with our rule, Mr. President. Thank you.
What does the Majority Leader say?
Mr. President, move to suspend for 1 minute.
Session suspended.
Hello, nakapinta ko sa plenary ako. Oo, 6 ako. Wala ito talaga. Ito talaga, phone ko. Oo. Wala tayong magagawa. Oo. Cellphone to. Oo, nahigiyan ko. Oo. Pwede, sige. Sabi mo. Oo, sige. Sige. Sabi naman. Sige, bigyan mo.
Ayaw kasi nandun sa pagkain. Hindi mo pasok, hinahanap mo ako. Diba? Kaya mapasok ako, natanungin niyo ako, bakit ako pumapasok? Lahat yan, nabaho na sila doon.
Audio. Papagulo na baka mo dyan. Papagulo. Tapos audio na ito tayo. Yung wireless sa kailangan natin. Oo, tagal mo. Sige. Live kami.
Cellphone lang ka.
Live kami.
Cellphone ko.
Yan, i-provide mo.
Off.
Saan yung mic mo?
Bakit hindi nilagan yung mga tao niya nakapasok dito? May CCTV kayo. Kung ikaw ang senador, sir, ako ang kandidat ang magpapakamatay ako para hindi ka magalaw dito sa institusyon na ito. Magpapakamatay ako para sa'yo. Kaya ano hinihintay mo? Bakit mo isara ka sa para hindi makalabas? Tumulo ka na, hindi ka pa gumalaw eh. Paano mo sasara? Hindi ka lang gumagalaw. Kaya grabe mo eh. Maraming nangyayari po sa public passport kaya ako mas ito pinakamaliwan sa inyo. I don't know. Ano gusto nila?
Sige, ikon ko na lang ito. Oo. Babad ko. Bitaw muna ka.
I
Ulo. Yan, pang-offer naman sila.
Ulo.
The session is resumed. The minority leader.
To Senator Joel, will make a motion, Mr. President.
Senator Joel Villanueva, sir.
Mr. President, may I be allowed to humbly move to declare all seats vacant, Mr. President?
What does the majority leader say? There is a motion to declare all positions vacant in the Senate.
President, under our rules that takes precedence, we have to vote on it, we'll ask for a roll call vote for the motion of Senator Joel.
So a roll call vote is in order. Secretary will conduct a roll call. Senator Francis Pangilinan is recognized. Before, once we start the vote, we
Yes, Mr. President, just a clarification as to seats or positions. Are we speaking of all positions